Good morning, Kelly Savage with the Butterfly Thoughts Podcast. Welcome. It's Saturday morning, and I hope that you're having a great weekend so far. I think we all heard the phrase, "you're killing me." From the movie Sandlot, we jokingly use the phrase, "you're killing me, Smalls." It's funny. It makes me laugh. I've said it more than once. So, what made yesterday different when I heard those exact same words? Today was different. When I heard the phrase, a butterfly thought just flew in. Let's call it a reflective moment, growth, light bulb moment, or whatever we want to label it. I was spending time with my granddaughter and my friend, and we were having a blast, laughing, enjoying the pool, at the level of a 3-year-old. You see, 3-year-olds see the world so differently than we do as adults. I will insert here, we should see the world in the eyes of a 3-year-old more often. My, how our perspectives and life would change. But more on that later. Picture this, please. 3-year-old, in the pool, you do something that they laugh at and are happy with, and what do? You hear, "Do it again, do it again." Amid the laughter and the "do it again" moments, my friend says, "You're killing me," jokingly, as my granddaughter asked her to go under the water again and again. I laughed, mostly at the thought of her going under the water for the 20th time, and it wasn't me at that moment. But before you know it, we were all laughing, but perhaps for different reasons. So boom, my butterfly thought hit me again. Those thoughts that just transform and makes your perspectives open up for some bit of change in our lives. I halted the fun for a moment, and I said to my friend, "Wow, that just really hit me. I mean, really hit me when you said that." I explained further as she gave me a look of confusion. I stated that words are powerful. We all know that. Of course, she agreed. Words mean things. Words can bring happiness, despair. They have energy, power, and the ability to help, hurt, harm, or humiliate, even ourselves. So there we are in the pool, laughing, carrying on like we're all 3-year-olds, and enjoying and feeling alive. So why not say, "You're keeping me alive, Smalls," or "You are making me feel alive"? Because honestly, that is what was happening. We were having more fun in the pool than we really ever have. We were able to relax a lot of times. We were able to just be in the pool, and that's wonderful as well. But today, we were having fun and feeling alive. She looked at me, and it was like a light bulb just went in her head too. Her response, "Why don't we say things like that? It makes me feel so much better." What does this have to do with you? I don't know, but I do know what it did to me and my friend. It transformed that moment, that morning, and made us think throughout the day. So I know that it can be the same for you. It's what you do with your butterfly thoughts when they do fly in that matter. Our fun in the moment with a child was making us feel alive, good, happy, blessed. And when we had that moment of realization of the power of a few simple words, our morning skyrocketed into a different realm. The power of words that we speak to ourselves and to others matter. Don't let that fool you. What are you saying to yourself? What are you saying in conversation? Does it help? Does it hinder? Does it support you in what you want? Does it help you with the goals that you have and the goals that you desire? Take inventory. It might just surprise you. It might open doors and different perspectives. It might make you want to change your words, which could be changing your now, your future, your moods, your relationships around you, your life. If nothing else, do it for yourself. Until next time, Kelly Savage, your life coach, and I hope that you have an amazing day.